Hello and welcome to another It's All Over room tour. I'm BD and I'll be your host today. Right here, we're at the Park Plaza Hotel in Nottingham. It is a Radisson property, so you'll be able to use your rewards here. It's just off Maid Marian Way, quite close to the Old Market Square, all of the amenities, just down the road from the Premier Inn, over on the roundabout. Rooms are about £60 to £80 for the night. We paid a bit less than that because we had a good deal through a rewards thing that we use, but not bad value for a weekend, especially, you know, a weekend just after payday. Right, I'm sure you're all itching to see the room, so let's get started. And we start our adventure off at the door. As always, you have your fire safety sheet there. A floor plan of the hotel on the floor. We are in 902. So our bathroom backs onto there, so if they're having a rather nasty masala, we'll be able to hear it loud and clear. We have the peephole here. Just about see through there, just about. Yeah. No cover, so if someone does have the eye on the other side, they may be able to see in, so bear that in mind if you're getting changed in this little hallway. This hotel has another card into power slot system, but this was here when we got here, so it looks like they are just foregoing the you have to put it in yourself. Rather, they'll do it for you. Come to the wardrobes. Listen to that. Nice and quiet. We have a safe at the top, if you need to use that for the night or for however long you're here. We have some hangers of the wooden kind. Don't see any mould. We have more of the trouser hangers here for you business people with your iron slacks. We have an iron, a hairdry, and a wash bag. Does this say the rates? So you can have your 3-piece suit washed for £16.80. Or just put it out in the rain. And indeed an ironing board. On the carpet here we have some text. Life is simple. Stop over analysing. No, you can't tell me what to do, floor, and indeed if you forget your book, you can just look down and have a read of the carpet. Out there. Have your luggage stand here. We have a Nespresso machine. Yep, no spent capsule. We do see that sometimes. The water caddy is empty. No sign of mould. USB in the plug sockets. Only one set though. So if you do want to do your work on this desk, bear that in mind. We have a nice little, looks like an ice bucket with glasses and a bottle opener. Many hotels provide those. We have a large mirror. Oh, hello. We have a little voucher. Look at that. Take me down to enjoy 20% off food in Chino Latino. That must be the restaurant. Does it say anything else? Oh, they've given us two. Look at that. Wonder if they meant to. We could make use of that later for a nice dessert. Right, yeah, there's little teacups there. These are the little card things you get. Look, wooden. Quite nice. Big chair with a few little marks on it. You see? Looks like people have probably put their shoes on it to tidy up. You might want to get a flash wipe on that before you use it. We have a bin that's empty. We have a mini fridge with complimentary water. Right, that's unusual nowadays. That's nice. You won't get a weekly shop in there, but you'll get a few cans. We'll come round to the first window. Ah, look. Nice view over the city. There's the corner house there. See, there's an arcade in there. There's a cinema. I don't think you'll be able to watch it from here. Not a bad little view. We'll come round to our refreshment station. Kettle underneath the TV. We have some tea bags, coffee, Twinings green, strawberry, cranberry, raspberry, lemon, ginger, pure peppermint and green and standard. We have milks, sugar, biscuits and salted caramel biscuits and a kettle. Let's have a look inside. This can always be a bit dodgy. No, that looks nice and clean. I suppose, yeah, there is indeed a little hole there for steam to escape right up into the plug sockets. Yeah, that's interesting, isn't it? What's in this little cupboard? Nothing, it's just a storage space. Right, we'll come down onto the bathroom with a translucent door so you can almost see your friends or partners doing their morning unmentionables in here. We have a coat hook. We have a prison sink with a nice push down affair at the bottom. We have some Esper, natural beauty in a calm. Not removable, so you can't take these home. We have an extendable mirror. Oh, hello. Something to plug your shaver into. It looks like that's taken somewhere. Oh, many a chap has had a shave in here. Oh, what do we have here? We have 20% off drinks. We have 3 or 4 of these. Christ, they must really want service at that restaurant. I'm sure we can make good use of that. You have a tissue dispenser if you run out of toilet roll. You have the bath. Relatively clean. Looks like it's had a good wipe around at least. The mirror's nice and polished, look at that. Shower head, not removable, but there is a paddle system there. I wonder if you could have both going at the same time. Let's try it out. Don't think we're going to be able to try that without getting wet. We'll look at that later. You have a toilet here. No marks really, just there's a few things there. What are those? They just look like grazes. They're not brown, so all good. We have the toilet roll. A bathroom phone. Oh, so you can call down to reception if you need a bit of help with your masala. Some extra towels there. Not the fluffiest, but they'll be fine for a shower. At least there's a fair few, we shouldn't have to ask for any more. Indeed. Doesn't seem there's a way to directly turn on the fan at the ceiling there. Maybe it comes on when the door's closed or after a certain amount of time. Let's see. No. Guess we'll find out later. Coming to the bed. We have a secret compartment. Yes. This is where the concierge will come out if you need that bit of help in the bathroom. Large mirror. Another secret compartment, blimey. The aircon system. Easy to use. Temperature. Fan speed. Not a problem. Have a phone and a notepad. Park Plaza to remind you where you are, and indeed on the phone and the room number. This looks like it's from the 90s. Quite a nice big bed at least. It's larger than a double, smaller than the king. I'd say it's a queen. They look like smoke detectors above the bed. So no crafty ciggies in here, folks. We come round to the corner to find a jade on the bed. She does not come with the room and is not complimentary. Look at that, rather industrial looking staircase. Oh, I wonder what building that is. Interesting, but here's the view from the main bed area. Not too bad. I wonder if these open. Yes, these do open. Does this open? It does! Would you look at that? You can see right down into that gentleman's yard. But I don't see the gentleman. Close that for you. Well, that's good to know that opens if you want a bit of fresh air in here. The other table next to the bed just has a remote for the TV. I always recommend giving those a wipe with an anti-bac wipe before you use it. You never know what's been on a person's hands whilst they've touched that, especially in a hotel. We have some plug sockets down there, nice and handy with the table. Did we see any over the other side of the bed? Let's have a look. Yes, there are. Good. So that makes 3 plug sockets in the room. 4 if you count the kettle, so not too many, although there is, this looks to be a European socket there. So if you're travelling from Europe, you'll be able to plug in without an adapter. Isn't that handy? And that's the end of the room tour for the Park Plaza. A short one today, not too much to show. We'll try and get a few shots of the lobby and halls, but again, there's not really too much here. It's quite simple, but for the money, it's definitely worth it. We'll see if we can make use of those vouchers. It's good of them to leave a few here. Normally they only give you one. I wonder if they will accept more than one at one time. Anyway, you've been watching It's All Over for a BD room tour. Just a nice impromptu trip we decided to do and, get one of these reviews out to you. So if you liked it, you know what to do. Show me your love and I'll see you on the other videos. Ta-ta now.